Uh, Good evening. As Wag sir has already introduced me, I represent MKCL, which is initiative of government of Higher and Technical Education Department. We have been playing a key role in providing solutions to the universities and providing IT literacy in the state of Maharashtra. We have 5,000 centers, franchisee centers, huge network, where in the morning also you heard that iSarita is being implemented in from our centers. So I think Joshi ma'am and Harichandan sir has already covered. Wag sir has also emphasized on the student life cycle management. We are really providing services to the students through these frameworks, and we have presence in 3 states, 15 universities, 5,977 colleges are connected to their universities through this framework. And so far in last 6-7 years, 36 lakhs plus students have been benefited from this framework. Right, as rightly said by Ramana sir, the services are focused to the student. So if you imagine from our days in the college, that you had to stand in the long queues and you have to tell the university your name and gender again and again. So that has all been eliminated now. Once right from the admission, the single profile of the student has been is carried till his migration and convocation. The data interaction between the colleges and the universities is digital now. The transfers of the students are digital, migration is digital. Under the chairmanship of Sri Rajesh Agrawal sir, last year one committee was formed for reforms in examination. So we have implemented most of the recommendations from the committee as well, like secured remote paper delivery. University of Kolhapur was the first university to implement that. Unfortunately, Kamath sir had to left for some urgency. Otherwise, you would have witnessed that big success in that. Barcoding of answer sheets and all these things are done. Another flagship program of the MKCL is in IT literacy. So far, we have trained in last 10 or 11 years 8.5 million people in state of Maharashtra. That is itself is the record, and they are certified by the MSBT, the Board of State Board of Technical Education. And no such other program in the world has achieved such a huge figure in such a short period of time. So we are really providing these services to the universities in terms of educational e-governance, and of course we are researching on the content delivery and this blended approach, collaborative approach, where the students can collaborate with each other through the framework and the logins provided to them. So thank you so much for giving us such an opportunity to present our services to you.